Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the Erasmus Mundus Journalism Scholarship program for session 2026 in UK, Germany and Netherlands. We'll show the full step-by-step guide on how to apply for this postgraduate master's scholarship. Deadline is 10th of January 2026. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Erasmus Mundus joint scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out our video description. Link is given in each of the videos that we premiered on the YouTube. Also in the about section of the YouTube description, you can check out. Links are also given there. And also in the Instagram story, you can check out links are also there, or you can directly message our team on Instagram. They'll send you the link. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashflow.com where you can apply for any of the scholarships. Once you are on our website fullscholarships.net, you can read about this particular scholarship. There is no need for IELTS for this particular scholarship, and this will offer around 16,800 euros of amount in stipends. And here are some brief summary. Host countries will be UK, Germany, Netherlands, and Denmark. And this is an opportunity to study in UK or Europe, and you can complete your master's degree. All the countries are eligible for this opportunity. This is a fully funded scholarship with 16,800 euros as living stipend and travel and visa costs. No IELTS is required. January 10, 2026 is the deadline for this opportunity. So you can complete MA in journalism under this Erasmus program, and you should have a bachelor's degree previously and the documentation in English language, as well as you should have completed your previous bachelor's degree in English language, have at least 3 months of journalistic experiences. If you have, you can submit them. You'll be receiving full tuition fee waiver and monthly allowance of around 1400 euros to support travel, visa, installation and living costs. So the program will be around 24 hours and scholarship will be also covered for 24 hours, 24 months. And to apply for this, you should be having the following details: application form, academic documents, journalistic documents, language requirements, CV, and then some reference letters and documentation of your nationality or passport. How do you apply? Simply scroll down and you can see you have to apply before the deadline, and 10th of January 2026 is the deadline, European time. So you have to apply before that. In order to start the application, simply click on this link to start the application. And once you click on that, you can see Erasmus Mundus Journalism official website is here. This is the course program website, and all the information regarding this scholarship is given here. And you can see now, to start the application, you can see deadline are mentioned here, 10th of January. And start the application, you have to click on this link here, Erasmus Mundus Master Scholarship. So click on this link and you can see tuition, stipends and scholarships. All the information regarding the scholarship is given here. You can see application process. Click on this link here, and once you click on that application process, you can see application form. In the step 1, scroll down here, you can see download application form. So click on this link to download the application form. Here you can see now you have to fill this application form with the given name, and then the first name, then family name, then the date of birth. This should be as per the passport, and then your nationality, mention the country you are a national of, and then your gender, age at the course starting, so you have to mention that, and then phone number, then the country of residence, mention the country of residence you are, and then email. After that, do you have criminal conviction? Yes and no. If you have, you can mention this. Do you wish to inform about a acronym digit? If you have, so you can mention that. And year 2 specialization, you can see first choice, second choice, so you have to give the choices. So you can mention the choice here. You can see You can mention the first choice and then also take other programs. Then, are you a national of one of the above mentioned English speaking? If you are from any of the English speaking, you can mention yes and no. And if not, then you have to have the any of this test scores here. So I'll like to apply for exemptions. Click on yes because we have previously studied complete in English language. Here you can see. And now academic details at bachelor's level. At master's level, we have no master's degree. So I'll select the bachelor's of arts we have completed. And the length of the program, it was a 4-year program. And graduation is already completed. Then journalism experiences, if you have to mention that here. 3 month experience is required. Then academic background, previous courses that you have completed relevant to the journalism, and what are the aspirations of the future course plan. Then recent incident you consider important in journalism history in your country or concerned area. And in Erasmus Mundus program, you will be taught compulsory encompassing training in both qualitative and quantitative research. So you have to agree to that. What's your experience in applying to scientific research methods? So you have to answer all the questions here. After this, have you already been taught about finance? How will you finance about this program? So if you have any information, you can submit them. So we'll mention Erasmus Mundus scholarship is the only option here. Now here you can see scholarship form. So which scholarship we choose submit? So you can see I have a bachelor's degree only. I wish to apply for and I am eligible. Select yes. Now enter the date you have completed your uh, form and then simply enter full name as a signature. You can see this process is completely done. So let me once again save this form here and first go back to this application portal so that I can see the process regarding the next step. You can see we have done this process and now we'll read about the process here. So we have filled the application form. So now what we'll do, we'll attach all the documents in a single PDF. We'll compress a PDF and then collect all documents in one PDF. Here you can see and name the PDF. See below, we have to name the PDF. You can see application package title. So we have to click on this. Here you can see like this, we have to fill the name. So now once we completed this form, we got documents and that PDF in this format they have given here. Full name, city, year of specialization, first choice and citizenship. And now like this, we have completed our example. So we have to now submit your application here. So click on this, go to online registration. So here you can see online registration. So now we have to fill this form and attach that documents, this application form as well. So let's fill this form quickly. First name, then given name, then date of birth. After that, nationality, mention the nationality. And do you have EU citizenship? I do not have. Country of permanent residence, so you have to mention that here. Current city, we have to mention that here. And then gender, then email. After that, phone number. And do you have any criminal records? So yes and no. Do you have any chronic disability? Mention yes and no accordingly. Specialization, so you can mention. And repeat your choice. So we'll mention crisis and this conflict. And third priority, so I don't wish to indicate any prioritization. I am a national of above and I have completed language test. So you have to mention any of this. Exception will be mentioning second option. And if you have any test dates, you can mention submit that. Then we'll mention, and then academic qualification of bachelor's level, so we'll mention the bachelor's degree here, city of the bachelor's degree, and then the country of the bachelor's degree we have completed. Then type of degree we have completed, bachelor's of arts, and full title of the degree you have to mention, bachelor's of communication in bachelor's of journalism, or whichever subject you have. After that, area of the study you have to mention journalism here, or the study that you have completed, level of the program, and the CGPA that you have completed, and duration of the program. Already graduated, so we have completed the graduation here, so I'll mention the dates. Likewise, you have to mention the dates here, and if you have master's level qualification, you can submit them, and between how many months you have the experience, and what was your most recent position, so you can mention any of the titles mentioned here, so you can mention that. Freelancer you may be working, so you can mention that here. So what will be hold on first of this, so you can see online and click on yes, I am eligible for Erasmus scholarship. Now you have to upload your application package. First, you can see I'll save this form here. I have mentioned that here. So now let's choose the file. Here you can see, you can mention the title in the package as well. Now confirm all this, write this. After that, click on course start duration. Now let's click on proceed. Okay, so we have to mention the calculation here. I am extremely sorry. I had just thought this is a type of text that we have to mention, but here we have to complete this calculation. Now we can click on proceed. So it might take few seconds, and that's how you submit the application for this Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters program. And so we have done all the processes here. So you have to also complete this application package, attach all the documents with it, and then complete that package here, upload a single compressed folder with the name format they have prescribed, and then submit this form. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any doubts or confusions, you can ask us in the comment section, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmere.com. Everything is covered there. I hope you enjoyed the session. Again, I'll just see there's a wrong calculation, so here I'll click on proceed. So somehow there was an error due to the calculation. So now let's click on proceed, and by this the application will be submitted. So that was the part you have to do as well offline. This form you have to fill in, attach the documents, make a PDF, attach here, submit the form. That's the process for the Erasmus Mundus Journalism Scholarship that you have to apply. I am signing off for today. Please visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmere.com, and do subscribe and like this video. Also share this video with your friends, and drop the comment which country you are watching the video from. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.